With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here is the question. Define the following terms: cell, B. cell organelle, C. mitosis, D. meiosis, evolution, crossing over, Karyokinesis, Diploid, Interphase. So we will define these terms. So first one is cell. What is a cell? Cell is the smallest functional and structural unit of an organism, living organism. Cell is the smallest functional and structural unit of an living organism. It is a complete organism in itself, such as bacterium or yeast. Fine. Now B. What is a cell organelle? Fine. So what is a cell organelle? Organelles are the living parts present in the cell having a definite shape, structure, and function. Fine. Organelles are the living parts present in cells having a definite shape, structure, and function. Fine. Living parts present in cells having a definite shape, structure, and function. And more important cell organelles are the nuclei. More important. That is a more important cell organelles. More important cell organelles. Cell organelles. First one is nuclei. Which store genetic information. Fine. Second one is mitochondria. Okay, which produce chemical energy. Fine. And ribosomes, which resembles protein. Proteins. Fine. So these are the organelles, okay, which is a part of cells. Now find C. This is a meiosis. Sorry for mitosis. Mitosis is the division of a cell into two daughter cells. Division of a cell into two daughter cells. Into two daughter cell. Fine. That are genetically identical to the parent cell. Identical to the parent cell. Parent cell. So mitosis is division of a cell into two daughter cells that are genetically identical to the parent cell. Fine. After that, T1. See, is a meiosis. Meiosis. Fine. Meiosis is the division of a germ cell into four sex cells. Example, egg or sperm, each with half the number of chromosomes. Half number of the chromosomes of the parent cell. So in mitosis there is a division of cell into two daughter cell. Fine. And in meiosis there is a division of germ cell into four sex cell, each with half the number of chromosomes of the parent cell. Fine. And in mitosis there is a identical to the parent cell, half. And next one is E, that is ovulation. And what is the ovulation? Ovulation is the change in the heritable characteristics of biological populations over successive generation. Means evolution is the change in the characteristics of species over several generations and relies on the process of natural selection. Fine. Evolution is the change in the heritable characteristics. Of biological populations over successive generation. Fine. Means change in the characteristics of a species over several generations and release on the process of natural selection. Fine. Now move on the next part, next definition. And next definition is F. Fine. It is a crossing over. crossing over. And what is a crossing over? Is the swapping of genetic material that occurs in the germ line. During the formation of egg and sperm cells, fine, also known as meiosis, paired chromosomes from each parent line, so that similar DNA sequences from the paired chromosomes crossing over one another. Fine. So next one is Karyokinesis. During cell division. And what is karyokinesis? During cell division. The process of partition of cell's nucleus into the two daughter cell. Fine. During the cell division, partition of a cell's nucleus into the two daughter cell, so called Karyokinesis. Fine. And next one is diploid. And what is diploid? That contains two copies of each chromosomes. A cell that contain two copies of each chromosomes, known as diploid. Fine. And the next one is interphase. Interphase. What is the interphase? Interphase is the longest stage in the eukaryotic cell cycle. Fine. Interphase refers to the phase of the cycle in which a cell copies its DNA to prepare for mitosis. First, it is the longest stage in the eukaryotic cell. Fine. And it refers to the phase of the cycle in which a cell copies its DNA to prepare for mitosis. Fine. So it is a interphase. So there is all the definitions. Fine. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.